In this video, we are going to learn how to identify Kriya Visheshan Padban in most simplest way. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. I am here to improve your level of Hindi. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and even press bell icon for my new update. So, let's seize the day. Let's start. जिस शब्द से किसी कार्य के होने या करने का बोध होता है उसे क्रिया कहते हैं. Means a verb is a word that indicate action. Verbs are almost always used along with a noun or pronoun to describe what is noun or pronoun is doing. Now, विशेषण. विशेषण वे शब्द है जो संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता जैसे गुण, दोष, रंग, संज्ञा या परिमाण बताते हैं. Means a word that described a noun or pronoun, basically providing extra information about its qualities or characteristics, are called adjective. Now this is the combination of both, that is kriya and visheshan, action word as well as describing word. The main one, kriya visheshan, एक ऐसा शब्द है जो क्रिया की विशेषता बताता है. क्रिया विशेषण adverb. So an adverb is a word that describe a verb, action word. किसी भी वाक्य में क्रिया विशेषण का कार्य करने वाले पदबंध क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध कहलाते हैं. When the group of words which act like adverb, that is kriya visheshan, then the entire sentence will be known as kriya visheshan padban, or the group of words which is underlined in the sentence, that will be known as kriya visheshan padban. Let's understand this by few example. First one, मेरी कार सड़क पर तेजी से भाग रही है. Means my car is running fast on the road. क्रिया भाग रही है means running. तेजी से means fast. So if the sentence is underlined till मेरी कार सड़क पर तेजी से, so it will be kriya visheshan padban. Okay, let's see the next one. राज धीमे से साइकिल चलाता है, which means Raj rides the cycle very slowly. चलाता है, which means rides. This is kriya. धीमे से, it means slowly. So this is describing word. So if the sentence is underlined till Raj धीमे से, then it will be kriya visheshan padban. Yeah, the last example. बच्चा घुटनों के बल चलता हुआ माँ के पास आ गया, which means the child crawled on his knees and reached his mother. पास आ गया means came or reached. It is kriya. And घुटनों के बल चलता हुआ, which means describing word. So if the sentence is underlined till बच्चा घुटनों के बल चलता हुआ, then it will be kriya visheshan padban. Okay. Let's see another type of example. First example, वो दौड़ते दौड़ते थक गया. It means he got tired of running. Here the kriya thak gaya is described by the word दौड़ते दौड़ते. If you notice, it is repeated verb, and if the sentence is underlined till वो दौड़ते दौड़ते, then it will be kriya visheshan padban. Let's see the next example. छोटे बच्चे चलते चलते गिर पड़ते हैं. It means small children fall while walking. Here, gir padte hain means fall, which is kriya, and it is described by the word chalte chalte. Again, it is repeated verb. The next example is सूरज धीरे धीरे डूबता जा रहा था, which means the sun was slowly setting. Or you can say the sun was gradually going down. Here, डूबता जा रहा था, which is kriya or action, which is described by धीरे धीरे, which mean repeated word. Let's see another type of example. As you know, an adverb is a word that describes adding the details about how, when, where, why, or to what extent something happened. So here, adverb of place, which indicate where an action take place. For example, yahan, here, bahar, outside, wahan, there. So let's see few example now. The first one. राजू का खेत इस कोने से उस कोने तक फैला है, which mean Raju's field situated or extend from one corner to another. इस कोने से उस कोने तक means adverb of place. So, if the sentence is underlined till, राजू का खेत इस कोने से उस कोने तक, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. Let's see the next one. बिल्ली घर के बाहर सोती है, which means the cat sleep outside the house. घर के बाहर, outside, which indicate the place. So, if the sentence is underlined till बिल्ली घर के बाहर, then the sentence will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. The last example. हमारा देश कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक फैला हुआ है, which mean our country is extend from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, which indicate the distance or the place. So it is adverb of place. The sentence is underlined till हमारा देश कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. Let's see another type of example. Now, adverb of time, which indicates when an action take place. For example, आज, today, कल, tomorrow or yesterday, प्रतिदिन, daily. Let's see few sentences. The first example is मैंने रमा की आधी रात तक प्रतीक्षा की, which means I waited for Rama till midnight. Till midnight. So it is adverb of time. So if the sentence is underlined till मैंने रमा की आधी रात तक, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. Let's see the next one. राज हमेशा सच बोलता है, which means Raj always tells the truth. हमेशा, which indicate when the action take place. So it is adverb of time. So if the sentence is underlined till Raj हमेशा, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. The last example, मैं तुम्हें बाद में फ़ोन करूँगा. I will call you later. बाद में, later. It is adverb of time. So, if the sentence is underlined till मैं तुम्हें बाद में, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. Okay. Let's see the last type of example. Here it is adverb of manner. Or you can say one thing is being compared to another thing. Okay. So the first sentence is वो फुटबॉल की तरह लुढ़क कर गिर गया. Which mean he rolled or he tumbled like a football and fall. So here football की तरह means the person is being compared to football. So if the sentence is underlined till वो फुटबॉल की तरह लुढ़क कर, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. The next example. राज पहले से बहुत धीरे बोला. Meaning Raj spoke much softer than before. So his means Raj speaking pattern is being compared to the previous speaking pattern. पहले से बहुत धीरे. So it is adverb of manner or it is being compared. So if the sentence is underlined till राज पहले से बहुत धीरे, then it will be क्रिया विशेषण पदबंध. The last example. लता कोयल सा मीठा गाती है. Which means Lata thinks as sweetly as cuckoo. Here Lata's voice is being compared to cuckoo. So if the sentence is underlined till Lata koyal sa meetha, then it will be kriya visheshan padband. The action is described by comparing with another thing. This is the end of the video. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comments section. Take care. Bye. Best of luck for your exam.